Hello 8th standard students, welcome back to our channel Vidyarthi. We are discussing the worksheet 1 of parallel lines. Coming to the fourth question, in the figure L is parallel to M and again both are parallel to N. There are three lines. L is parallel to M and parallel to N. Find X and Y. Okay. So first we have to write given, isn't it? Given it is a L parallel to M parallel to N. All the three lines are parallel to each other. And now what else is given? The angles are given, isn't it? We'll give the numbers. So let this angle be 1 and this angle whose values are given, give the numbers. So angle 1 is equal to 50 degree and this angle 2, let it be, is equal to 30 degree. So they are not given the name, but for our convenience we will give 50 degree angle 1, 30 degree angle 2. Okay. Now they have asked you to find angle X and angle Y. Now coming to the solution. To find out X, we have to take only these two lines. Okay. L is parallel to M and AB is the transversal. If you take like that, angle 1 plus angle X is equal to 180 degree. Why? Co-interior angles. What is meant by co-interior angles? Both the lines, they are interior to the lines and on the same side of the transversal. सबको समझ में आ गए? L and M are parallel lines and AB is the transversal of angle 1 plus angle X is equal to 180. Co-interior angles are supplementary. Co-interior का मतलब क्या है? दो parallel lines के अंदर वाले लेकिन ट्रांसवर्सल के एक ही साइड में. ठीक है. सो विल राइट एंगल 1 प्लस एंगल X इज इक्वल टू 180 डिग्री. विल राइट को इंटीरियर एंगल्स आर supplementary. Co-interior angles are not equal, they are supplementary. What is the meaning supplementary? The sum is 180. So for this, what all we have taken? That will write L is parallel to M and AB is the transversal. It will be easy for you. So why they are co-interior? You tell which are the two parallel lines and which is the transversal. Now put the values. Angle 1 is 50 degree plus angle X is equal to 180 degree. Therefore, angle X is equal to 180 minus 50, that is 130 degree. Now coming to Y. If you take M is parallel to N, only these two lines, and BC is the transversal. Now Y is equal to angle 2. Why? They form alternate interior angles. M parallel to N लेंगे और BC transversal है, तो Y and angle 2 they form alternate interior. एक ट्रांसवर्सल के राइट साइड, दूसरा ट्रांसवर्सल के लेफ्ट में, but they don't form the linear pair. it is in cross. And this, see, M B है ना, इधर से हम लेंगे तो M लाइन ऐसे आया, BC and did you get the Z formation? Then it is alternate interior. So we will write angle Y is equal to angle 2 is equal to 30 degree. Y alternate interior angles. Now tell me which are the two parallel lines. M is parallel to N and which is the transversal? BC is the transversal. So you got both X and Y. Answer, angle X is equal to 130 degree and angle Y is equal to 30 degree. Hope all students are confident. So here L is parallel to M, AB is the transversal. They form co-interior. Co-interior angles are supplementary. Now for Y, take these two lines. BC is the transversal, Y is equal to 30, that is alternate interior angles. Now coming to the fifth question. ABCD is a quadrilateral in which all the angles are equal. Show that AB is parallel to CD and AD is parallel to BC. So we have to prove. Okay, first we will write given. What is given? ABCD is a quadrilateral and they have given all the four angles are equal. That means angle A is equal to angle B is equal to angle C is equal to angle D. Now to show that AB parallel to CD and AD parallel to BC. That means the opposite sides are parallel. Now solution. अभी प्रूविंग है, थोड़ा संभल के करने का है. अभी ऑल द एंगल्स आर इक्वल बोले हैं इन क्वाड्रिलैटरल ABCD. Angle A plus is equal to angle B is equal to angle C is equal to angle D. Let it be X. All are equal. You don't know, that is why X. Now you have to remember sum of interior angles of a quadrilateral is equal to 360 degree. जैसे sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So quadrilateral में sum of the interior angles means अंदर के चार angles को add करोगे, you will get 360 degree. You have to remember. Now angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D is equal to 360 degree. That means X plus X plus X plus X is equal to 360 degree. That means 4x is equal to 360 degree. Therefore x is equal to 360 upon 4. 4 ones are 4 nines are 0. X is equal to 90 degree. You got x. हर एक एंगल 90 मिलाडू. Okay. Now it is a angle. We'll write angle A is equal to angle B is equal to angle C plus is equal to angle D is equal to 90 degree. अभी हमें ऑपोजिट साइड्स पैरेलल बोलने का है. तो अगर हम टू लाइंस, अभी ए बी इज पैरेलल टू सी डी, इसके लिए ए बी एंड सी डी आर टू लाइंस. ए बी एंड सी डी आर टू लाइंस एंड AD is the transversal. ऐसे हम सोचेंगे तो एंगल A प्लस एंगल D, AB CD, AD is the transversal, angle A plus angle D is equal to 90 plus 90. How much you got? 180. कब ये दोनों पैरेलल लाइंस के अंदर इंटीरियर है और ट्रांसवर्सल के एक ही साइड, मतलब क्या बन गए? दे फॉर्म द को इंटीरियर एंगल्स, isn't it? So को इंटीरियर angles are supplementary. अभी एंगल A एंड एंगल D फॉर्म co-interior angles. Therefore, AB is parallel to CD. ठीक है, फर्स्ट वन मिला. अभी हम AD और BC देखने का. सिमिलरली, सेम वे, सिमिलरली AD and BC are two lines, and now you take AB as the transversal. AB is the transversal. Angle A plus angle B is equal to 90 plus 90, that is 180. Co-interior angles are supplementary, है ना? Therefore, AD is parallel to BC. थोड़ा कंजेस्टेड हो गया. होप एवरीवन अंडरस्टूड. फर्स्ट वन समझ में आया तो दूसरा भी सेम मेथड. सिंस A and B they form co-interior angles, the AD is parallel to BC. ठीक है. स्टार्टिंग में क्या बोलेंगे? ऑल द एंगल्स आर इक्वल बोले हैं, तो लेट इट बी x एंड सम ऑफ इंटीरियर एंगल्स ऑफ अ क्वाड्रिलेटरल इज 360 डिग्री. सो सब x है तो 4x आया. 4x इज इक्वल टू 360, x इज इक्वल टू 360 अपॉन 4, दैट इज वाई 90. हर एक एंगल 90 है. तो अगर AB और DC और AD इज द ट्रांसवर्सल, तभी A plus B, A plus D is equal to 90 plus 90, 180. But they form co-interior angles. So in which lines the co-interior angles are supplementary? In a parallel line. दूसरे लाइन्स में co-interior supplementary नहीं होता है. अभी AD और BC के लिए consider AD and BC as two lines and AB is the transversal, angle A plus angle B 90 plus 90. So ये ट्रांसवर्सल है तो ये दोनों लाइन के अंदर इंटीरियर और ट्रांसवर्सल के एक ही साइड, सो को इंटीरियर एंगल्स आर सप्लीमेंट्री. Okay, that was question number 5. Now coming to the question number 6. In the figure, if BAO is equal to DCO, which is it? It is BAO, this angle, is equal to DCO. This it's given. Okay, if they are equal and OC is equal to OD, ऐसा दिया है तो हमें बोलने का है AB is parallel to CD. Okay, AB is equal to is parallel to CD, बट दिया है ये दोनों इक्वल है और ये दो साइड्स इक्वल है. तो फर्स्ट राइट गिवन it is OC is equal to OD and it is BAO, angle BAO is equal to angle DCO. Now to show that AB is parallel to CD. Solution. First we will take this triangle. In triangle OCD, in triangle OCD, they have told OC is equal to OD. Then it is an isosceles triangle. Hope you remember the topic. In an isosceles triangle, if the two sides are equal, the angle opposite to the equal sides, they are also equal. That is, the base angles are equal. Hope you remember. अभी OC के opposite angle क्या है? OC के opposite आएगा, it is ODC, isn't it? Otherwise CDO. That means the same. ODC or ODC नहीं तो CDO. This angle. Okay. So OC का opposite आएगा D में. That is angle CDO is equal to OD. This is OD. OD का opposite कौन सा angle है? C. C को DCO लिखेंगे. DCO. Okay. Why? Angle opposite to equal sides are also equal. So take this as a 1. Now they have given angle BAO is equal to angle DCO. That is given, and let that be 2. So from the triangle CDO is equal to DCO, but given BAO इज इक्वल टू DCO, ये दोनों इक्वल है। तो ये दोनों को देखने के वक्त फ्रॉम 1 and 2, 1 and 2 मतलब ये दोनों, DCO is common, CDO is equal to DCO, BAO is equal to DCO, DCO is common, so automatically these also will be equal. Angle CDO will be equal to angle BAO. ठीक है। अभी आप लोग कौन सा लिए? CDO एंड BAO। अभी ये और ये इसको अभी निकाल दिए, सिर्फ ये और ये देखेंगे। अभी हमें बोले हैं AB इज पैरेलल टू CD, है ना? तो ले लो AB एंड CD आर two lines and AD is the transversal. ऐसे सोचेंगे, AB and CD are two lines and AD is the transversal. In that case, did it form Z figure? Yes or no? So, angle CDO is equal to angle BAO. They formed Z. कौन सा एंगल्स फॉर्म करते हैं? अल्टरनेट इंटीरियर एंगल्स। याद आया? सो पैरेलल लाइन, ट्रांसवर्सल, पैरेलल लाइन, दिस एंड दिस। ट्रांसवर्सल के एक राइट साइड में है, एक लेफ्ट साइड में है और दोनों लाइंस के अंदर है। इसके लिए अल्टरनेट इंटीरियर एंगल्स। देयरफॉर AB is parallel to CD. Is it okay? So first what they have given? OC is equal to OD and angle BAO is equal to DCO. This and this angles are equal. Okay. Now to show that AB is parallel to CD. So for that what we have to do? First take this only the triangle. So in the triangle OC is equal to OD. They have told, बोले हैं कि OC is equal to OD. It is given. So you can write given. In that case OC का opposite, it is an isosceles triangle. तो इसका मतलब OC का opposite angle क्या है? D. D मतलब it is CDO. और OD का opposite angle C. That means DCO. दोनों equal. तो आप लोगों को इधर लिखने का है angles opposite to equal sides are also equal. Give that 1. That statement, give the number 1. But BAO, this BAO is equal to DCO. Already दिया है given और let it be 2. Now from 1 and 2, DCO is common. That is why CDO is equal to BAO. अभी CDO और BAO ये कौन सा एंगल बना? अल्टरनेट इंटीरियर। तो हमें बोले हैं AB is parallel to CD. So take AB and CD as two lines and AD as the transversal. So ये Z formation हो गया। The transversal के एक राइट साइड, एक लेफ्ट साइड और दोनों पैरेलल लाइंस के अंदर है। इसके लिए अल्टरनेट इंटीरियर। That is why the lines are parallel. Okay. Hope all students understood. Bye. Thank you.